Welcome to our channel where we guide you through the simplest steps to activate your Robinhood debit card with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel where we guide you through the simplest steps to activate your Robinhood debit card with ease and confidence. If you've recently received your Robinhood debit card and you're wondering how to activate it so you can start using it for everyday purchases, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. First, you'll want to make sure you have your Robinhood app downloaded and logged in on your smartphone. The app is where the activation process happens smoothly and securely. Once you open the app, look for the section dedicated to your debit card. This is usually labeled something like Cash Management or Robinhood Debit Card. Tap on this section to begin. Next, find and select the option to activate your card. This button or link initiates the activation procedure. The app might ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your debit card number as a security measure, so have your card handy. After entering the required details, the app will process your request and confirm that your card is now active. Remember, this usually takes just a few moments. If you prefer, you can also activate your card by calling the number on the sticker attached to your card or your welcome letter. Follow the automated instructions, which typically ask for verifying personal details to ensure the security of your account. Another important tip is to set up your PIN code if prompted during activation. This is crucial for using ATM machines or making purchases that require a PIN, so choose a number you can easily remember but others cannot guess. After completing these steps, your card is officially ready to use. You can start making purchases online or in stores and withdraw cash at ATMs that accept MasterCard, the network that powers the Robinhood debit card. Keep in mind, it's a good idea to check your app regularly for any updates or notifications about your card. Activating your Robinhood debit card is a quick, straightforward process designed to help you get started with your new financial tools seamlessly. Make sure your personal information is up to date in the app to avoid any hitches. And don't hesitate to reach out to Robinhood customer support if you run into any problems during activation. Now that you know how simple it is to activate your Robinhood debit card, you'll be ready to enjoy the convenience and benefits it offers right away. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more helpful tips and guides.